Hi there, it's Tanya from Tatty Treasures. Hello. I just wanted to come and show you the project that I'm going to be starting. So Nanine Collage Type has created, it's an add-on kit, but it's ended up you know, being like a full kit, and it goes with the Sage and Willow Christmas. I don't know if she's called it Sage and Willow Christmas, or yeah, Sage and Willow Christmas with the full kit, but this is like a add-on. So this is going to be the first winter project I do. So Monday and Tuesday I made a couple of embellishments ready for my winter botanicals. There will be a playlist. There is a playlist called Winter Botanicals. So I just wanted to show you this. It's I've seen a few of them about, but I've not made one myself, and it's one of these. So it's a really tall, skinny journal. So all it is, you know, your copy paper folded in half that way instead of how we normally do it, and it's that way. So I've printed this on lovely presentation paper, so I don't need to you know, print on the back, because we've got this nice stuff. Obviously I need to cut them down, but I just thought I'd come and show you the pages because it's a bit different. So that's one of the pages. Another one, and another one. Beautiful colours. Oh, look at this, that's a beautiful picture. Yes, beautiful. It's gone really nice onto this paper. Let's give it a nice colour. So they're the actual journal pages. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, I think there's 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 journal pieces. So once I've added in some plain pieces, and then we've got some this is a collage one, which is lovely, and we've got another collage one which goes that way, and we've got a back end sheet in this beautiful green with some text in it, then another collage piece, very similar to the other one, but it's a different background. We've got the same kind of writing, and then a plain one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6 of those. So they'll be good for backing and making things. I don't know. No, I'm not using one as my cover, but I might use one as the inside cover. So that's those, and then the ephemera. So we've got a tall thingy pocket. What are these called? You know, one of those which you can either stick down or you can pin in, and both sides are decorated if you wanted to just clip it in. I normally stick them down and use it as kind of a belly band piece. So that's that. We've got a page of labels. So I've got some numbers and some words, and then I've got a couple of pictures. We've got sage. So that's that one. We've got some journal cards which are a bit slimmer than normal to go in the journal. And you can either leave those attached or cut them off, and then you've got 6 separate ones, and then there's 3 plain ones which you can either leave plain or decorate. And we've got a nice tall pocket, and then 2 corner pockets, and a lovely page of ephemera. That's beautiful. Love this tag, and then we've got some tickets. So that is the kit. Like I say, it does go with the other Sage and Willow, which I have got, but I'm just going to use this kit. I might pull out some other bits and bobs, and I was thinking of using this for my cover, because if I don't do something with it, it's gonna totally fall to pieces, which would be an awful shame. So I'm thinking I'll back that onto something and, you know, totally stick it down, probably leave it, you know, a day to properly adhere, because I do think that the paper will probably snap, but I don't know if that's going to be wide enough. That's one of the pages. Yes, it will. Yeah, so that's going to be my cover, and yeah, so that's going to be the first winter project, and then I've got the main Sage one cut out ready, and the winter botanical one, so from that we'll go on to those. I'm not entirely sure what I'm making yet, but yeah, I hope you join me, and that's it. So this video will go up, and then straight after I'll probably put them at the same. No, I'll put the other one about 10 minutes after, so if you wanted to look at the kit before I start cutting it up. Yes, I must remember I've actually got to cut it up before I start. So thank you for joining me, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.